Lost in the weeds is an idiomatic expression that originates from the world of agriculture and gardening. This phrase is often used metaphorically to describe a situation where someone becomes so deeply engrossed or entangled in unimportant details or trivial matters that they lose sight of the bigger picture or the main goal. It can also refer to being confused, distracted, or overwhelmed by irrelevant information, causing one to lose focus on the more essential aspects of a task or situation. The term draws its imagery from the literal scenario of someone wandering off the main path in a dense field of tall plants, such as weeds. In this situation, the person might become disoriented or disheartened as they struggle to find their way back to the intended path. Similarly, when someone becomes lost in the weeds figuratively, they can find themselves bogged down in irrelevant or insignificant details, causing them to lose their sense of direction and purpose. This expression is often used in professional, academic, or even personal contexts to caution against excessive attention to minor aspects at the expense of the broader objectives. For instance, a project manager might remind their team not to get lost in the weeds of minor design elements and lose sight of the project's overall goals and deadlines. In academic writing, it's important to stay focused on the main argument and not get sidetracked by tangential points that could lead to being lost in the weeds. Preventing oneself from getting lost in the weeds requires a conscious effort to maintain perspective. It involves recognizing when a deep dive into details is necessary and when it might be derailing progress. Effective time management, prioritization, and regularly revisiting the main objectives can help individuals stay on track and avoid the pitfalls of overindulging in minutiae. In conclusion, Lost in the Weeds captures the idea of becoming excessively absorbed in irrelevant particulars, losing sight of the larger context. The phrase serves as a reminder to remain mindful of the primary goals and overarching themes, whether in professional projects, academic pursuits, or personal endeavors. By striking a balance between attention to detail and a focus on the bigger picture, individuals can avoid the metaphorical weeds that can impede their progress and success.